Oh, just verified that? Yeah, financial harm, reputational harm, serious harm. I've had physical and non-physical, psychological, financial, reputational harm. Yes. Mhm. Now, all surrounding circumstances compel a reasonable person of the same background and the same circumstance perform and continue to perform labor, services, or other commercial sex act on board, incurring harm, kidnapping in the first degree. Oh, hold him or her ransom. Yes, shield or hostage. Yes, conspiracy to commit kidnapping. Oh, now the sole intent of the petitioner was for you to issue a dissolution of marriage. Yes, to assume custody of my five sons. Yes, and you admitted the declaration. Oh, unlawful imprisonment. Yeah, custodial interference in the first degree. Custodial interference in the first degree. Oh. Um, I'm going to want you to enforce the laws. Yeah. And when I told you that I wanted a phone call, um, you actually have interfered for 7 years and 4 months. Yes. See, the intent of 2000, it is the intent of the legislature to address Washington State's Supreme Court's decision, State versus Valiz. The court held that a parent cannot be charged with custodial interference if a parent withholds the other parent from having access to child in violation. Yeah. Residential provisions of a domestic violence protection order. Yeah. But when you didn't expunge that probation, that arrest record from Guam, yes, um, you actually did violate my right to visitation. Yeah, State versus Valiz. A parent cannot be charged. Well, Heidi can be charged with custodial interference if the parent withheld from the other parent having access to my five sons because she did not admit that my record was expunged on July 11th of 2012. I had no record of child abuse or domestic violence after that date. Now, I'm going to want to have imprisoned and sued every oath badge attorney mandatory reporter. Yes. And I want you to remove your fraud. See these residential provisions of the domestic violence protection order? Yes. It should have been non existent. Yes. As in, I should have had every right to have them reside with me. Uh, I'm going to want a phone call from my sons. And I want a phone call from Marilyn. Yes. I want to reside in a hotel. Yeah. I want to sleep in a bed. Ouch. And I want to sue every individual in this nation, yes, that has an illegal obligation, yes, to make sure that no one ever gets arrested for a crime they didn't commit. And I want that to happen right now. Do you understand, Sheriff? What's my mental illness?